Hey everybody, this is that John Deere 1535. Make sure to check out the description for all the new parts that have been put on this thing. This thing's pretty much been overhauled. They have not used it since they overhauled it. This thing's ready to go to work, coming right into the season. Comes with the John Deere Computer-Trak 150 monitor. Currently, we got the seed units out of it so that way mice and stuff don't get into it. That's the way they've always stored it. We're on 15-inch spacing. It's an 11-row drill, guys. You've got access, ladder access on both sides. Got your rear support jacks. Marker arms are in good shape. This has a Yetter hydraulic running gear on the front of it, so this can be set up as a 3-point, but this one has the tongue, the Yetter tongue with hydraulics. You can see it gets it way up off the ground there, guys. Hydraulics all work the way they should. Chain system is nice and free, works the way it should. All around, guys, really nice unit. Big thing you look at on the drills, of course, your blades have good bevel to them and everything like they should. Air system all works the way it should. All your air lines, everything's in really good shape, guys. This thing is ready to go to work, coming right into season.